Master the art of clear and confident communication. Hello there, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to delve into a vital topic, speaking clearly and confidently. This is an essential skill, particularly when it comes to job interviews. In the next few minutes, we'll learn how to express ourselves in a way that is easily understood and reflects our self-confidence. Ready to begin? Let's go! Clear and confident communication can really make or break your job interview. Why? Because employers are not only interested in your technical abilities but also in your ability to articulate ideas, engage in productive discussions, and present yourself with confidence. This skill is a key determinant of your interpersonal and professional competence. Speaking clearly isn't just about volume or enunciation. It's a complex interplay of many factors. 1. Pace. Your pace should be neither too slow nor too fast. A moderate pace allows the listener to absorb and understand your message better. 2. Tone. Your tone should be pleasant and polite. It can affect how your message is perceived and can also establish a connection with your listener. 3. Vocabulary. Keep your vocabulary simple and jargon-free unless the jargon is industry-specific and required. Avoiding complex words makes your message more accessible to everyone. Having a clear voice is half the battle won. Now, let's talk about confidence. Here are some tips. 1. Preparation. Know your subject matter thoroughly. This boosts your confidence, as you're less likely to stumble or get caught off guard. 2. Body language. Maintain eye contact, keep a straight posture, and use natural gestures. These small cues can do wonders for your perceived confidence. 3. Practice. It's cliché but true. Practice makes perfect. Rehearse your speech or answers to possible questions. The more familiar you are with what you're going to say, the more confidently you'll present it. To help you on your journey, here are some practical exercises you can do. 1. Reading aloud. Choose a book or an article and read it aloud. Pay attention to your pace, tone, and pronunciation. 2. Record and review. Record yourself speaking on a topic. Review it to identify areas you can improve. 3. Mock interviews. Conduct mock interviews with friends or family. Ask for feedback on your communication skills. And there you have it, a compact guide on speaking clearly and confidently. Remember, this isn't an overnight process. It requires patience, persistence, and lots of practice. But with time, you will see a significant improvement. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident. We believe in you.